If you need more time to file your tax return, you can request an extension of time to file. Here's how it works. File Form 4868. To request an extension, you must file Form 4868, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to File U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. This form is available on the IRS website, and you can file it electronically or by mail. Provide estimated tax information. On Form 4868, you'll need to provide an estimate of the tax you owe for the year. If you don't have this information yet, you can make a reasonable estimate based on your prior year's tax return and any changes that may have occurred during the current year. Submit your form by the deadline. Form 4868 must be filed by the original due date of your tax return, which is typically April 15th. If you file your extension request electronically, you can submit it until midnight local time on the due date. If you file by mail, it must be postmarked on or before the due date. Pay any taxes owed. It's important to note that an extension of time to file does not extend the time to pay any taxes owed. If you owe taxes, you must still pay them by the original due date to avoid penalties and interest. You can make a payment with your extension request to avoid penalties and interest, but it's not required. Receive confirmation. Once you've filed your extension request, you'll receive a confirmation from the IRS. If you file electronically, you should receive confirmation within 24 hours. If you file by mail, you should receive confirmation within a few weeks. While an extension of time to file does not extend the time to pay any taxes owed, it can help you avoid the late filing penalty, which is usually 5% of the unpaid tax for each month or part of a month the return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. By filing for an extension, you can push back the deadline for filing your return and avoid this penalty as long as you file your return and pay any taxes owed by the extended due date. Additionally, filing for an extension can give you more time to take advantage of any tax-saving opportunities you may have missed earlier in the year. For example, if you discover that you are eligible for a deduction or credit that you didn't know about before, you can still claim it on your return even if you file for an extension. So, while an extension of time to file does not extend the time to pay any taxes owed, it can still be a useful tool for taxpayers who need more time to file an accurate and complete return and avoid late filing penalties.